Can group conformity explain collective delusion? Imagine a crowd suddenly believing something that clearly isn't true. How can so many people be wrong together? It turns out, human behavior in groups can be pretty surprising. Group conformity is when people change what they believe or do to match the group. Not just because of pressure, but because it feels natural to want to fit in. Our brains are wired to seek social acceptance, so we often go along with what others are doing, even if it doesn't make sense. One famous experiment that shows this is the Asch conformity test. In this test, people were asked to compare lines and pick the matching one. Actors in the room gave wrong answers on purpose. Many real participants went along with the wrong choice, even though they saw the correct answer. This shows how powerful the urge to conform can be, overriding personal perception. Another idea linked to group conformity is pluralistic ignorance. This happens when everyone privately disagrees with a norm but believes everyone else accepts it. For example, if students are too shy to ask questions in class but think everyone else understands, they stay silent. Everyone stays quiet because they assume others are okay with the situation, creating a false sense of consensus. These behaviors can lead to collective delusions. In society, people might ignore warning signs or reject facts because they see others doing the same. This creates a cycle where everyone pretends to believe something false, reinforcing the illusion. It becomes hard for anyone to challenge the group because they fear standing out. The consequences can be serious. In businesses, it might cause bad decisions that lead to financial losses. In politics, it can spread misinformation and fuel extreme beliefs. Even in everyday life, trends and social norms can be based on shared false beliefs that persist over time. From a weird science view, these experiments show how easily human minds can be influenced by others. Our sense of what is real is often shaped by group behavior, not just individual thinking. Recognizing this helps us understand why people sometimes act irrationally or follow false beliefs, even when facts say otherwise. It shows that collective delusions are a common part of human social life, driven by the deep need to belong and conform.